G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. We're at the Antonelli stand here at the Ice Cream Expo, talking to Gelato Jonny. How are you, mate?
Very well, how are you, mate?
Johnny English. I keep wanting to say Johnny English.
That's a film.
Johnny Ireland, but he's known to everybody as Gelato Jonny throughout the industry. This process of gelato flavouring, decorating, has really kind of come into its own in its storytelling process. And I'm fascinated by Cheeky Monkey, because I've heard you say to people, how do you like my Cheeky Monkey?
Yeah. Just the ladies, really, to be honest with you.
So now, the history behind Cheeky Monkey is, Antonelli's is a cone manufacturer, right?
Yeah, over 100 years.
And you made a Cheeky Monkey cone.
Yeah.
How long has the Cheeky Monkey cone been around?
So he's about 5 years old.
Okay.
We made the cone because, for two reasons. The first thing is the head size, you can see, is significantly smaller than the average one, to keep portion control sensible for children. And the second thing is there's no artificial colours or flavours in there, so it's flavoured with vanilla and coloured with natural caramels. So we wanted to make a cone which was going to be suitable for children, portion size, and also suitable for them putting good things in their body as well.
So Cheeky Monkey now has evolved, though.
Yeah.
Cheeky Monkey's having all sorts of adventures, isn't Cheeky Monkey?
He is, yeah. So we started off as a cone. We had the idea halfway through last year to develop it into an ice cream flavour as well. So Monkey, immediately I thought banana. So we created a banana cream ripple called Cheeky Monkey Ripple.
I just want to say Cheeky Monkey like you say Cheeky. Cheeky Monkey.
Cheeky Monkey. That's how we say it in Manchester, yeah.
Just one more time.
Cheeky Monkey.
Thank you.
We wanted to create a story.
And that's this product here.
Yeah.
Just pop that open for us.
So what you've got there.
So it's an addition to a flavour, correct? You can put it as a variegate, or you can put it over the top.
Yeah, so you can cremini it, or you can ripple it.
It smells incredible.
Yeah, no, and we've tried to base it on what we call a foam banana.
Yeah.
It's a very, very traditional sweet. Most people in the UK and Ireland will recognise it.
And in Australia, we loved our foam bananas.
Oh, did you?
My wife and I used to go to Charlie's down on the corner,
right?
And they'd sell foam bananas. I'd never heard them called foam bananas before, but that's a pretty accurate description of what it is.
We used to have a shop called Woolworths, and used to do pick and mix from Woolworths from it. So that was kind of where we got it from. We didn't just want to make a banana ripple. We wanted it to be attractive to children. The flavour is natural, the colour's natural, and we just wanted to make sure that kids were putting, again, just like the Cheeky Monkey cone, positive things into the body. So instead of making it a really expensive product, what we decided to do was make it a product you could pair with things you've already got in your shop. And we made stories out of those. So the first one is a blue ice cream. So we all know blue ice creams sell really well in gelato shops and ice cream shops. So we've got Cheeky Monkey Goes to the Beach.
Now, what finds it fascinating to me is that, so this is a blue, I would call that like a blue moon, let's say blue ice cream.
Yeah.
But you've got this on the front, so it's kind of rippled like it's the beach.
Yeah.
And we've got some serious erosion happening here as the pan goes down.
Yeah, global warming's really hit the cabinet.
Right. But it's so striking visually.
Yeah, and that's it really. It catches the children's eye. We know blue sells well anyway. We make cones, and when we make a blue cone, it outsells a pink cone like 12 to 1. So we know blue is the selling colour with ice cream. That is a blue vanilla, so it's vanilla flavour, so it's not an artificial flavour. Spirulina, so as clean a blue as you can get.
Right.
With the Cheeky Monkey creminied over the top to create that beach look.
It looks awesome. Now, next to it is Lazy Sunday. Cheeky Monkey has a Lazy Sunday,
This is based on the banana split. Your classic split open a banana, 2 scoops of ice cream, chocolate rippled over the top. So again, we've made a vanilla gelato with, that went a bit Australian then, didn't it? Gelato with a chocolate fondant ripple through it, and then just the banana cream ripple over the top.
And so at the back you've got Cheeky Monkey Flips a Pancake. So, but you're taking traditional flavours that you already make, and Cheeky Monkey-ifying them.
Yeah, so adding value to what's on the shelf. Times are hard. We don't want people buying loads of extra items. This is one item which can pair up with 4 things you've probably already got on the shelf. And that's really important, that we're sensitive to business costs as well as trying to promote a new product itself.
I mean, this could be Cheeky Monkey Goes to the Movies, Cheeky Monkey. I love the Cheeky Monkey concept. I think it's awesome. One thing I'm seeing new this year also is in the decoration of the process of some of these pans, you've got full blocks of chocolate sitting on the top.
Yeah.
Now, primarily, obviously, for decoration. Most gelaterias are scooping from the back. They're just basically, taking that back as they need to. Because I've never really seen, there's one around the corner here that's kind of the banana. It's just got a full...
Yeah.
So is that regular chocolate, or is that pliable enough that it breaks and goes in?
So that is from a mould, so that isn't chocolate. So what that is it's a chocolate fondant, a white chocolate fondant, which we've mixed with a little bit of stracciatella or covering to increase the solids. So it's made it firm, pulled it out of the mould and put it on top. But if we actually got our spatula and put it in, it would go through quite easily.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. The ones at the front, those are actual chocolates.
Yep.
We were blessed with a really nice cabinet, but the angle of it means everything's slipping. So we've created a chocolate wall at the front to stop it, and then the two on the top are there just to kind of...
Maybe we need to move the chocolate wall over to the beach to stop the erosion.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Mate, it's fabulous. And again, I think that's one thing that the gelato market has for it over the premium ice cream in our larger buckets is the beauty and the storytelling of the process. And so I think the Cheeky Monkey's a winner in my books.
Thank you very much. We're hoping so this year. It's new for us to do something like this. We usually rely on partners from Italy. So we've tried to get creative ourselves. The feedback so far at the show over a day and a half has been excellent, so we're really excited to see how it goes this year.
Where do people find out more about Gelato Jonny and Antonelli?
So you can find out more about me on Instagram at Gelato Jonny, or if you want to find out about Antonelli's, Instagram is Antonelli_UK or Antonelli.co.uk. Online as well.
Awesome. We'll put a link down below to the video and a link to Gelato Jonny's here. Before we sign off, just one more Cheeky Monkey.
Cheeky Monkey.
That's all we have for this session. I'm going to just keep playing that over in my life. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next video.